A bit of Saturday night fun. We're trying to get some broken screws out of the float bowl chamber on a standard Fordson or a Model N. Picked this up off eBay and it's in a bit of a rough state, but it'll soon sandblast up. Once you're over 40, this is as exciting as Saturday nights get. We're just using some old random nuts and just welding them on. These two are failed attempts. I've just got this one out. And we're just going to give this one a go. Got it. Where's the camera? That's two out. We'll have another go getting them front ones out. At least they're easier to drill out if I have to, because sometimes it's a bit tight trying to get the drill down here because of the plate without taking it off, and if you can avoid taking it off, it makes it all easier. After many attempts, we've managed to save the part. We don't have to drill any threads out. This is ready for sandblasting now. It can go off for sandblasting. You can see how, well, look at my finger to these, the little small diddy screws. Managed to get all four out after many goes. This one here was the worst one. You can see how warm it's got there. I ended up getting a little piece of steel, drilling a hole in it, and then welding it onto what little bit was stuck through, and then just slowly working it, and eventually it come out. Anyway, we can make this into a usable part again, and the reason I bought this, got it off eBay, the back's in quite good shape. We've got a manifold that I've re-skimmed and faced, but the vaporizer, this piece, all these fins are quite eaten away, and you know, even if you skimmed it, it's not going to be as efficient. You're narrowing that gap down. So this was in quite good order on the back. That'll clean up nice, and we can get it thrown on a tractor, and that's another one going. They're not making any more, so you've got to start saving these parts. Manifold parts are the worst because they're always hot cold cycles, screws snap off. The float bowl here, they're always, them screws are real troublesome. People just cross threading them, over tightening them, snapping them off, rust. But it's got to be done. So that's another little tip for you all. You just need a welder.